The Fibonacci is a very important tool that helps us to identify the market movement, potential reversal zone, continuation as far as trading is concerned. So the Fibonacci Golden Zones is what signals to us market stabilization after a significant movement in the market. So we can use this level to set up our target price and stop loss order. This is Soji and you are welcome to Soji Forex. If you are coming across our channel for the first time, here we share ideas on financial market. We share tips on how you can trade, manage your entries, your exits, and above all, we want to see you succeed on how you can become a profitable trader. And if you are coming across us for the first time, we welcome you to this channel. Please do well to go to our previous video, as every video is an add-on to what we have done before. So in this video, I want to share with you how to reduce your loss, your stop loss. How to reduce your stop loss using Fibonacci Golden Zone. And how do we go about this? Step number one, identify the general movement of the market, which means know your trend. If you are familiar to this channel, you realize that we've never started any trade or any class without identifying the dominant trend of the market. This is Boom 1000 and this is H1 time frame. And if you look at this, considering our trend line, you can see that we are in a downtrend. And if you look at it, you realize that market is making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a lower low. Now that we have identified the direction of our market, what is the next thing we need to do? The next thing is you need to know your range. And what is your range? Your range is the lower high and lower low. So for this first move, this high here and this point is our range. Here is our range. That high and this low is our range. And then this one is long. Range. So now that we have identified, this is our first range from here to here, our second range from here to here, and then this other range from here to here. So now that we have identified our range, the next thing we need to do is for us to be able to draw our Fibonacci level. Our goal is we want to have a small stop loss using our Fibonacci. So I will pick my, and then this is my Fibonacci 2 now. So I'm going to put it, if you are using the week, you draw week to week, and if you are using the body, you draw body to body. So now this is my first range. So this Fibonacci was used to connect this point and this point. This is the point, the 2 points that I've connected together as my range. Having done that, I will now want to see price pulls back from here to give me a reversal from I will begin to look for an entry only if price begins to give me signal from 50% level of the Fibonacci for me to sell, because this is a sell market. So any signal I get either from 50, 61.8, 78.5, 88.5 or up to 100 will now become my signal for sell, right? And then the market pulls back to 70. You can see now that's the range there. The market pulls back to 78.5 zone that you are seeing here, and then gave us a bearish engulfing candle, which is this candle you are seeing. And then we have this follow-up candle. So we will sell from here now. We are selling here. Our stop loss is up here, and our take profit is below this low, because in a downtrend we expect liquidity of the downside to be taken. And then you can see that our stop loss is very small compared to if we have decided to take this trade from 23. So it means that even if the market reverses from 23, you will not sell. Even if it reverses from 38, you will not sell, because you cannot be selling just from here and be having this big stop loss. So the goal is how we can use our Fibonacci to reduce our stop loss. So now that we are done with this particular move, it has played out safely. We now have our new range, and this new range now is now between this high and this particular low. So our new range now is between this high and this low. So we are now going to put our Fibonacci to this new zone that we have. So we want to connect here and here. Exactly. So this is our new range from here to here. So what do? We will pick our Fibonacci tool, place it here, and then we will draw our Fibonacci. You can see how it is. Very perfect. We now have our Fib level there. Now look at what happened. Price now spike, pull back. We don't have any signal here, no engulfing candle, no good signal. Then price pull back to here, 88.5% of our Fibonacci level, and then gave us an inverted hammer. Can you see this? After this one, we need a follow-up. We are not going to jump in, and then we'll keep waiting. We have not gotten a follow-up. Then we get this particular another inverted hammer. So upon this one, we can now make our sell entry here. Look at our stop loss here, very close, and look at the profit we are targeting. And you can see how this plays out beautifully. So we now use our Fibonacci to reduce our stop loss, and as such we are not risking too much, we are risking very little. And here now is our new low. We have this and this. Okay, this is our new low. So we are coming to connect these 2 points together. Okay, we want to connect here and here. So we'll now pick up our Fibonacci level and place it weak to wick. If you choose to use body to body, it is your choice. Now this is a live market scenario. Okay, as you can see, I have a trade running here with this same strategy, and look at what happened. Price came, pulls back into 61.8 level of the Fibonacci, and then gave me this inverted hammer. When I got this inverted hammer, this pin bar here, that is when I make my sell entry. Look at my stop loss and look at my TP to come and sweep this low. So you see, this is how to trade this. It's pretty much simple and it is straightforward. Go through this video again and again, and you will discover how easy it is to do this. And we have our line as a confluence. Look at it. Price has been respecting our trend line very well. Price has been respecting our trend line. So it's a double confirmation for us. And this new one that is forming now, okay, now we have the market making the new way. I'll just connect this trend line now to this my new low, this my new chart pattern, and then we are good to go. I believe you are getting value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, ask your question in the comment section, and above all, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we publish our next video. Cheers.